how to change the size and width of the edge panels handle on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we now scroll down and tap on display. Next in here, go down and tap on edge panels. From here, to customize your edge panels handle, tap on the handle, and at the top here you will be able to move your edge handle to the left or to the right side of the screen. Next is your color, so you can change the handle color to whatever color you like. You can also tap on the color picker to choose one of the colors from the swatches or spectrum, and then tap on done. Next is the transparency. You can set it to high transparency or low. So here, this is what it looks like. We will change the transparency of the handle. You can also make it invisible. So if you drag it all the way to the right, you can see the handle will become invisible. It's still there. If you swipe it, it will open up the edge panels, but you won't be able to see it on your screen. So that is one of a cool feature. You'll be able to make it invisible. Otherwise, if you drag it near to the right hand side, it will it still will be visible, but it's almost becomes almost invisible. Okay, so that is how you can customize the transparency of the handle. Next is the size of the handle. You can make it really small, or you can make it quite big, so quite tall here on the screen. And you can also change the width of the handle to make it thin, medium size, or very thick. Okay, so that's thick handle. And once it is positioned on your screen, you will not be able to move it anymore. In the past, you used to be able to touch and hold onto the handle, and you can drag it to the left or to the right, or you can move it up and down. Now you cannot do that anymore. Instead, if you touch and hold on the handle, it will open up Gemini instead. Okay, so if you go back in here, you can reorder it. You can move it. You can change the position of the handle by dragging on this button right here to move it up or down. So it doesn't go all the way up to the top, kind of like around near the top, near the edge of the top of the screen, or near the bottom of the screen. Okay, so that is how you can customize and change the color and width of your edge panels handle. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.